Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to use an AI agent for YouTube title, description and keyword generation. So let's suppose I am running a digital marketing agency and I have a lot of content and videos available online. I am creating the SEO for this manually, and doing this manually is a very time consuming task. So I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Sheets, OpenAI and then Google Sheets. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I add my YouTube idea in this Google Sheet spreadsheet, the SEO will be automatically generated with the help of an AI agent, which here I am using as OpenAI, and then the cell will be updated with that SEO. Now, if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to see how to use an AI agent for YouTube title description and keywords generation. For this, I have created an automation workflow where I have built connection between Google Sheets and OpenAI, and now I'm going to check this automation workflow once. For that, I'll be entering the idea of this title in this field, and if a title description and keyword is automatically generated, this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here I'm going to open this Google Sheets spreadsheet, and I'm going to add the idea of this title. So let's say the date is 18th March. And then the idea here is, what is Pabbly Connect? Now let's wait for the response. And here I can see that I have instantly received the response after waiting for just few seconds. The title here is, what is Pabbly Connect? Description that we have received is, in this video we explore Pabbly Connect, an innovative automation tool designed to simplify workflows and boost productivity. Here you can see the description, and then I have also received the keywords, Pabbly Connect automation tool, what is Pabbly Connect, and here you can see all the keywords. Now this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to use an AI agent to generate YouTube titles, description and keywords. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets and OpenAI with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I've created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this Create Workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as How to Use an AI Agent for YouTube Title Description and Keywords Generation. Now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and here I am going to select this as YouTube Automation and then click on Create. So here workflow created successfully, and now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to use AI agent for YouTube title description and keywords, which means whenever I'm going to enter my idea of YouTube title description and keywords, this will be automatically generated which means whenever I will enter my idea of keywords, title, description, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when I add my idea in this particular spreadsheet and then action says do this, then it will automatically generate the title, description and keywords for my YouTube video. So here in my trigger application, I'll be taking Google Sheets, and then in my action application, I'll be taking the AI agent, which I'm using here as OpenAI. So here in my trigger application, let's take Google Sheets. And then in my trigger event, I'm going to take this new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So reading the help desk, we are going to build this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Google spreadsheet. So this is my Google Sheets spreadsheet, and the name of the spreadsheet is YouTube title, description and keywords. Now we need to make the connection in this particular spreadsheet, and for that what we have to do, we have to go to this extensions option, and from here I'm going to click on this add-ons and then click on this get add-ons. Now here Google Workspace Marketplace has appeared in front of me, where I'm going to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And over here it is showing installed because I have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, make sure that you follow the same process and install this Pabbly Connect webhooks. Now that you have installed this, you will see this Pabbly Connect webhooks has appeared here. Now we have to click on this initial setup button. Now here this box has appeared in front of me. It is showing me the sheet, which is sheet number 1, and then the webhook URL. So I'll need to provide the webhook URL which I'm provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. Next, in the trigger column, it's written the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Now over here you can see that I have 3 columns, A, B and C. Here my last column is column C. But in my trigger column, I am going to enter B, because as soon as I add data in this particular B column, I want to send the data to my webhook URL. So here, as soon as I add this trigger column, everything that I am going to add further in the spreadsheet, it will be sent to my webhook URL or to my Pabbly Connect workflow. Now I have to click on this send test. And here I can see test data sent successfully. Now here all the details should be sent to Pabbly Connect. I'm going to click on the submit button. And here the setup configured successfully. Now both of these details should be captured in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's quickly open my workflow. And if I scroll down, I can see that I have received the response. The trigger column was column B that we entered. Spreadsheet name was this. And then I have received the idea. Here I have entered my trigger column as column B, and here I have received what is Pabbly Connect. Now here let's go back to my Google Sheet spreadsheet, and over here we have to follow an important step. We have to click on this extensions, go to this Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then we have to click on this send on event. So this will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. So after this idea, whatever data I add in this particular column, it will be sent to Pabbly Connect, and the title, description and keywords will be generated automatically. Now here that I have received the response, now I want to generate the title, description and keywords for this same. So what I'm going to do in my action step, I'm going to take OpenAI, the AI agent which I'm using in this workflow, and then in my action event, I'm going to take this ChatGPT and then click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, click on the save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter the token. So it's written OpenAI uses API keys for authentication. Kindly visit the hyperlink I'm given over here to get the API key that you need to enter here. So here I'm going to open this hyperlink. And I have landed to this page of API keys. Now over here you can see this create new secret key on the top right corner. I'm going to click on this and then I have to name this key. So let's say the name of this key is testing. In the project, I'm going to select this as default project. In the permissions, I'm going to select this as all, and then I'm simply going to click on this create secret key. So here a secret key has been provided to me, which I'm going to copy and simply paste that over here. And now I simply have to click on this save. So here OpenAI is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to select the model and enter the prompt. So in this AI model, I am going to select this as GPT-4o mini. You can select according to your choice and preference. Then we need to enter this prompt. So here I am going to enter the prompt in a way that whenever I insert an idea of my YouTube video, the description, title and keywords are automatically generated. So here let's say my prompt is, so here I have entered my prompt as I need a YouTube video title, description and relevant keywords for my video. Then I'm going to enter the title. Now here I have leave this field blank because I'm going to map this. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Now over here if I manually enter this Pabbly Connect, my idea of my YouTube video, then this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now what I'm going to do here, as soon as I click on this field, I can see this Google Sheets, and if I scroll down, I can see that I have received the response. This was my idea that I want to generate title, description and keywords for my YouTube video. So here I am going to click on this and enter this. Now here I have mapped this. And whenever I'm going to add a new idea in this, it will be automatically replaced with the previous one. Then I have added description should include a compelling introduction summarizing the video key points covered in the video, a call to action like subscribe or visit a link. Then the keywords include relevant lowercase keywords that improve SEO and help with video ranking. Do not add extra signs and symbols or stars in the response. Keep the text plain. So now that I have added my prompt, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request and wait for the response. So here we can see that we have received the response. The message content title is Pabbly Connect. And then I have received the description. In this video, we dive into Pabbly Connect, a powerful automation tool designed to streamline your workflows and enhance productivity. So here I have received the description and then I have received the keywords. Here I have received the rest of the details. Now I can use this SEO to enter in this particular column in my spreadsheet. So as I have received the response, I'm simply going to click on this add action step, and then again I'm going to search for my action application, which is Google Sheets, and then in my action event I'm going to select update cell value. Now as I've selected my action application and action event, I'm simply going to click on this connect. Now as I have already an existing connection, I am going to click on this save. So here Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to select the spreadsheet. So my spreadsheet is this YouTube title, description and keywords. In this drop down I can find this is my particular spreadsheet. I am going to select this and it has automatically detected the sheet. Now in the range I have to add the range. So here the range will be combination of row as well as the column. In the help desk, it's written that I have to enter the range in this particular format, column name plus row index. So in this particular spreadsheet, we can see that we have to add the data in this particular column C. But the rows will be going to replaced because whenever I will be adding a new data, the row will keep changing or increasing. So here we are going to create a range in such a way that it will be static for this column and dynamic for the row. So here I am going to enter the range as C because I have to keep the row static. This is my row and I want to keep this static, so I have entered this manually. And now we are going to enter the row by mapping. So here I have received the response. Here the row index is 2, so I have mapped that. Now it will keep changing. As soon as I add new data, this will be replaced with the new data. Now in the value, I need to enter the value. Of what value this will be replaced. So here I have received the response in this OpenAI. This is my response, which is message content. And now that I have added all these details, I'm simply going to click on this save and send test request. And here we can see that we have received the response. So here we are done with this workflow and now we are going to test this. So for that, I'm going to open this Google Sheets spreadsheet, and here I'm going to add another idea for my YouTube videos. The date is 18th March. And here I'm going to add the idea as what is Pabbly chat flow. And here as soon as I click on this enter, I will see that the automated title, description and keywords will be generated in few seconds. And here we can see that we have received the response after waiting for a few seconds. The title is What is Pabbly Chat Flow? In this video, we dive deep into Pabbly Chat Flow, an innovative solution designed to simplify and streamline your communication process. Here we have received the keywords Pabbly Chat Flow tutorial, chat automation, and you can see the rest of the description and the keywords. Let's add another idea. The date is same. And here I am going to enter the idea as what is automation. Now let's wait for a few seconds. And here we can see that we have received the response after waiting for a few seconds. What is automation? In the description in this video, we delve into fascinating world of automation, exploring its definition, significance, and the impact it has on various industries. Here is the rest of the description, and you can also check the keywords. So now to summarize, we took Google Sheets as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We entered the data in this particular spreadsheet and received that response here. Then we moved to the next step where we wanted to generate title, description, and keyword for this YouTube video idea. So we took OpenAI as the action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, selected the model and entered the prompt, then received the response, and we just mapped that response by taking my action application as Google Sheets, and then I updated the cell value, mapped the response that I've received, and received that automated title, description, and keywords response here in this particular spreadsheet. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And here we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets and OpenAI with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.